Welcome back to another room makeover video. I've done so many of these on my channel and I will never stop doing them because they're literally one of my favorite videos to film on YouTube. Currently sitting in the room that I just finished decorating and it's so cute and I'm just like so excited to show you guys. But basically there's gonna be a room tour towards the end where I share everything, where it's from, and all of that. So everything that I share in this video will be linked down below. I'm so excited, so let's just start the room. It is currently day one of me transforming my entire room, but first we're going to do some laundry because this is just sitting over here and I'm basically just going to be tidying up my room. Picture on Pinterest, I'll put it up here. It's basically where the dresser is on the side of the room, like near the bed. And as you guys can tell, my dresser is right there behind me, so like right in front of the bed, which I feel like is ideal, but I really like the idea of it having like right next to your bed. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying to move my vanity. I want to try to move this and see what it would look like. I don't even know if it's going to fit. Also, you guys, look how cute these nails turned out that I recently did. I did it yesterday and I'm obsessed with them. They look so adorable. Here's what it's looking like. I don't know if it's just looking more cluttered over here. I don't know, but I definitely wanted some change because that vanity over there was just like so boring and plain. And I feel like I could add some like flowers. Wait, hold on, let's try. We got my favorite flowers. Okay, see, that doesn't look bad. I just don't know if it like looks good in this corner of the room, but I just want to change. So we're just gonna go with it because I can't really move the bed. My only issue now that I did not think about is here. This is what the nightstand that I have looks like right now. This one's from Wayfair. I just added these bow knobs from Amazon and I'm obsessed with them. I just feel like if I add a wood nightstand, will add so much more color to the room because the bed's already white and then the sheets are white. But we're gonna be changing all that stuff tomorrow. Not the bed, but like the sheets and stuff. And probably the frame.
Why does that actually look so good? Yeah, coming from over here.
It looks so much bigger.
Come here.
You guys, this looks so good. It definitely looks a lot higher than this nightstand that we have, but I feel like it feels so much better in here. I feel like it brings so much more color and it also makes the room honestly look a little bit bigger because it's smaller. This one's very like wide. So yeah, I'm obsessed with it. It also has the outlets, which I think is so nice. Now we're going to organize it. Okay, it is now day two. Day two of the room maker. I cannot speak in this video. It is now day two of redoing my entire room. Today we're gonna go to Home Goods, IKEA, and probably somewhere else. I forgot what other place it was, but I'm gonna try to find everything at Home Goods, and then I also want to find a carpet that I can put underneath the bed. Anyways, first stop is Home Goods. I feel like it might be it.
No, this is not it. Look, I'm 6 foot.
Oh, okay.
You wanna slide through?
You guys, these pillows are so cute, but I don't think they match the room, but I'm obsessed with like this design right here, but it definitely doesn't match the theme that I'm going for. fit in the car.
Oh, they put it through the sunroof. I want to come by myself. Pick this up.
You guys, it says that it's like pouring outside, so hopefully it's not as bad. But we're finally getting our stuff and we're gonna leave because we've been here for way too long. Finally back home, and I got this carpet from IKEA. We're about to set it up. I'm gonna give you guys like a haul of everything that I got after we set this up so we just can get out of the way. But it's gonna go underneath the bed. I know I have carpet, don't come at me for it, but I feel like it's gonna look a lot more cozier with this type of carpet, at least covering half of the bed, you know?
Let's get going. Nails on the bed. Who's the goat of the bed, bro?
Okay, now the carpet is here. We're gonna add these new shelves. They're literally the same shelf from IKEA, but it's just like a woodish color. Okay, now time for a big haul. I'm having this lemon juice and it's so good. If you go to Target, definitely get this. I don't even know where to start, but I have a bunch of stuff. I took it all out of the bag. I have like glass. So first from Home Goods, I got this candle. I also got these like toys for the dogs for Halloween and it's just so cute. Yeah, sweet. You guys, look at how cute. This candle is so adorable and it gives like anthropology vibes. And then I got this frame from Home Goods and probably gonna put a picture of me and Caleb. I think it's so cute. Another frame from Home Goods. Got a couple other things from Home Goods, but I'm not gonna show you guys because it's like mainly home things or dog things. I also went to IKEA, so I got these 3 basic little frames. Probably gonna put pictures of me and Caleb as well. Also got, when he got scared, I also got this big frame IKEA, and this one gonna go above my bed. I'm gonna take those 2 frames and put something else in it, but I'm not sure yet. I still have to find a picture for this. Got this plant also from IKEA, so I bought this separately and I think it is so cute and it's definitely gonna go on the shelf. It's gonna bring so much color. I feel like plants are such a good thing to add in a room, even if they're fake, because they add so much color. I forgot I bought this, but it's like a little candle from IKEA. I got this mushroom looking thing. I think it's just gonna go on the shelf. I'm not sure yet, but I feel like it's also add color and I love pink. Hobby Lobby also has a lot of good candles, so I got this one and it smells so good. And I feel like you would find something like this in Target. Honestly, don't know what this is, but it's like a good little decor thing. It's like a book. I of course had to grab myself some essential oil. That's literally everything I got. Now we're just gonna decorate and put everything together. Back with more stuff that I got mail from Amazon. The clothes did come today. I don't know why the app says that it wasn't gonna come today. I got this like light pink color. It honestly looks white, but I honestly don't mind it because I don't want it to be like too girly or like a too harsh pink. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, why does it look like that? Why is it not spreading and why does it not look natural? This looks like a check mark. Like this is just not. We're taking this olive tree. It was way too boring. But here's what she looks like. Guys, now I got new pillows. Caleb just bought them, so we're gonna put them on the bed. I'm officially done with decorating and everything, and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is the room tour part. I'm just gonna be sharing everything that I have in this room and where it's from. So if I can find the links for most of this stuff, it will be linked down below. Okay, so first off, this is the door and this is what it looks like when you come in the room. Let's just start with this part. So this dresser is from Wayfair and I think it's on sale right now. I am obsessed with this dresser and it's honestly very affordable for wood material that they have. It's pretty much more cheaper material, but it works just as fine and I'm just like obsessed with it. It's not like super super heavy. This frame is from HomeGoods. Anything that's from HomeGoods will not be linked down below because I cannot find anything. I do need to change the picture, so didn't do that. This little linen spray is from Hobby Lobby and it smells so good. This is like a fake flower. I got it from HomeGoods. This diffuser is from Amazon and I love turning this on at night. And then there's also some sprays back here, which this is just a dog bed spray that I got from HomeGoods. And then this is an essential oil from Hobby Lobby, and then another essential oil that's like a hotel one. I got it off of Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. But those are the essential oils that I use. This mirror that's on the dresser is from, I believe, Amazon, but I think it might be from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure, but I'll have it linked down below if I can find it because I don't even remember. And then this jewelry holder is from HomeGoods. Have my little lotion in the back. This pillow spray, I get a lot of questions from HomeGoods. And then this lamp is from Target. I wanted to get a new lamp for this area, but I couldn't find any, so that's just what we have going on right now. This is the controller for those lamps over there. And yeah, that's my dresser. And then obviously over here is like the bathroom. I'm not gonna give you guys a tour of that, but these frames are from IKEA and I'm obsessed with this. I honestly got this idea from Pinterest. So this picture is actually from me and Kayla when we went to Maldives, so our honeymoon. And then this one's from our wedding. This one is also from Maldives. I didn't have any other pictures, so it is sideways. It's not supposed to be sideways, but it's like that. If y'all been here for a while, then you know this plant was from like one of my first room transformation videos, but this one, I think it might be from Hobby Lobby. It got us such a long time ago. This is Mel's dog bed. She sleeps there. Clearly, she has not made her bed. And then this mirror is from Amazon. I'm obsessed with this lamp. I feel like it adds so much to the room, and I've had these already, but they're from Amazon and they don't even like need any wires to go into the wall. So it's just a light bulb that you can charge and it's literally perfect. You just use the controller, turn it on, you can change the colors and everything and make them like purple or whatever. So yeah, I really am obsessed with it. I removed like the long part of it and then it looks like this. And then here is my new nightstand. I'm obsessed with this nightstand. It's literally the best nightstand ever for the price. It's literally $149 for just one, but I just decided to get two, obviously, to match the other side. But anyways, I'll have this nightstand linked down below, as I said before. Y'all, look at how cute these hydrangeas are. They're so beautiful. I got them literally at Aldi's. Like, can you guys believe that? But they are real. So I put it in a vase, and this one's from Amazon. Got this jewelry holder from one of my friends on the wedding. So it has the day that we got married. Underneath it, I have this little coaster for like any cups, drinks that I bring because I just don't want to ruin this wood. Have my Summer Fridays leg mask, my Osea body oil, and then of course my hatch. I'm obsessed with my hatch. I know it's pricey, but it's so good. And then my rock salt lamp, which I'll have also linked down below. So like you can turn it on. So this is what it looks like when it's on. I feel like this just brings so much color into the room at night and it makes it look even more cozier. And then in this area, I try to make it look as organized. Basically, I just put my Bible and like my journal, this fall candle that I have from last year, but I'm so excited for fall. It's almost here. And then I have some perfumes in the back over there. This is a little tray that I did with dry art clay. And then I have just like my body serum stick, my deep sleep pillow spray, and I have some candles over here on the side as well. I'm not gonna do like a whole in-depth nightstand tour, but basically just have like all of my sleep gummies, vitamins, whatever I have in here. And then I have like, honestly, this is really random, so I'm not even gonna explain this, but you guys can tell. But I have some books over here, and I love these organizers. They're literally from Amazon. And then this drawer is also pretty organized with all my stuff. Okay, now this is my bed. I get a lot of questions on this. So this bed is from Etsy. They're like the soft frame bed, so I'll have it also linked down below. I've had this bed before when I had like the queen bed, so that just shows how much I love it because this is the king. But anyways, my bedding is just like this white bedding, which is from HomeGoods. This one's also from HomeGoods, and it's like a set with the comforter. I wish I could link this because I get so many questions on this, but it is from HomeGoods and there's like no tag on it because I threw it away. This white throw blanket is from Amazon. This pillow I actually got today and it's from Target, and it's so cute. I love it. These two pillows are actually from that chair that came with it, and this is just temporary. I'm gonna leave this for now because I try to go to Target to find like different type of pillows for the front that they look not the best, like none of them match. Those pillow covers are from Amazon, and then I'm gonna have a third one. They just didn't come in the mail yet, so there's gonna be 3 pillows in the back, and I think it's gonna look way better because that's how I had it before. And then this frame is from IKEA. The picture in it is from Etsy. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm obsessed with it. Also, can you guys see that crack? And then obviously you guys know this carpet is from IKEA, and I feel like the carpet just makes the room look so much cozier, so I'm so happy that I got the carpet. I was just like watching me talk. Okay, anyways, across the bed there's this area. Honestly, didn't know what to put on this wall, so let me know if you guys have any suggestions. But this mirror is from Amazon, and I love this arched mirror. I think it's so much better than the other IKEA one that I have, and I feel like it looks way cuter. Also, it is gold on the ends, and I think they have like other colors too. This basket is from HomeGoods. I just added like a blanket. Honestly, it doesn't even look cute, but you guys, I love this new like little area that I'm gonna show you guys like all my OOTDs in, and so I'm so excited. This plant, as you guys know, it's from Amazon. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want it, but I wouldn't recommend it because it literally came ruined. And then this fan is the Dyson fan. I've had it literally for 6 years. I'm not gonna lie. These shelves are from IKEA. and then this is from Hobby Lobby, that's from Home Goods. This little mushroom thing is from Hobby Lobby, and that's also from Hobby Lobby. That little candle is from IKEA, and then that frame is from Home Goods. I have that candle, which is from Home Goods, and then that is all from IKEA. And I think it turned out so cute. Also, the little ghost on the candle, like it matches the fall time that's coming around. This chair is from Walmart. I have like literally 3 of these around my house, and I love it. Obviously, clearly I have too many, but basically on this chair I have these 2 pillows it came with, and then this is a pillow I think I got from Target. I think they still sell it because I saw it at Target. And then this blanket is from Home Goods. This little stool is from Home Goods, and then it is a storage little area, so I just have things thrown in there. All these plants are from IKEA, and then this space is from Home Goods, and then this candle is from Hobby Lobby. I wasn't even in the shop. These curtains are from Amazon. The rod is also from Amazon, and it's like a sheer type of curtain, and I honestly love it. It like doesn't make the room too bright, but it's perfect, and it's also like privacy. And then obviously this is Caleb's side, but he just has the same nightstand that I have. He has a picture of us when we got married, and it's just so cute. And this frame is also from Home Goods. This candle's from Home Goods. I made this for him with dry art clay. And then this is the projector that we use. I also have a link down below, but I don't know if they still sell it because I've had it for so long. But it's honestly really good because it still works, and the audio is really good. So hopefully they sell it because I definitely recommend it. And then this little flower that we also got from Home Goods. I forgot to show it to you guys, but I love it. It matches like the blue theme going on. I genuinely wasn't even going towards a blue theme, and I just ended up going towards a blue theme, and I honestly love it. We have like a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue. And then the stool is from Hobby Lobby. I've had it for so long. If you've been here from the beginning, then you know. And then this plant is from Home Goods, and this tray is also from Home Goods. I don't even know what's going on there. I put some candles, but whatever. I just didn't know what else to put over there. And that's the room. I feel like I went through it so fast, but I'm obsessed with it. It literally looks so cute, and I loved how it looked before. I'm not gonna lie, I loved it, but I feel like this has so much more color and it gives more beachy vibes. I'm so obsessed. But like I said, everything will be linked down below, and if I forget anything, please comment down below.